Steel skies, no birds in flight. Sirens sing us into night. We build our walls, forget the names of those we swore we'd never blame. And every screen shows someone burning, but no one stops, no one's turning. We scroll, we sigh, we move along, pretending silence isn't wrong. If this is the end, it won't be loud, just a whisper lost in a digital crowd. No bombs, no blaze, just hearts grown numb. A world too tired to overcome. If this is the end, then let it be known. We froze ourselves stone by stone. Children learn to duck, not dream. Hope's a hashtag, not a theme. We trade our truth for sharper lines and call it progress every time. No comet, no collapse, no flood, just kindness bleeding out like blood. We had the tools, we had the time. We chose the cold and called it fine. If this is the end, it won't be loud, just a whisper lost in a digital crowd. No bombs, no blaze, just hearts grown numb. A world too tired to overcome. If this is the end, then let it be known. We froze ourselves stone by stone. But maybe, just maybe, someone will see a crack in the ice and plant a seed. Even in the midst of despair, the day will come, we'll meet it there. One day we'll rise with open eyes and see the world through softer skies. With steady hands and hearts made whole, we'll shape a future soul by soul. The warmth we lost we'll learn to send and write a new story.